Here's a rational expression, and what we can do is multiply everything by the least common denominator, which is going to be 20. So if we go ahead and multiply everything by 20, show you guys what this is going to look like here. We are going to get 5 times x plus 3 minus 4 times x minus 2 equals 2 times x plus 1 minus 20. Now, how I got that, I'll show you over here for one of the terms, is going like this, and then these simplify, which is how I'm getting the 5 right here, and then our x plus 3. Okay, so that's what I did for all of these. The 20 cancels out with our 5 to get 4. The 20 cancels out with our 10 to get 2. And now this just becomes a linear equation where we can combine like terms, excuse me, distribute first and then combine like terms. So the hardest part about this, where I see many students make mistakes, is remembering that there is a negative number, a negative attached to a number on the outside that we have to distribute into our parentheses. So this is going to be 5x plus 15 minus 4x plus 8 equals 2x plus 2 minus 20. Now we're going to combine all like terms to get x plus 23 equals 2x minus 18. So now we can subtract 2x. Well, let's go ahead and actually subtract x from both sides and then add 18. That way we can have our positive numbers. So this is going to be 41 equals x. That's our final answer.